Hi, welcome back to my channel, My Free Spirit Life. Since it's springtime, I'm going to go through my drawers and transfer the winter clothing and bring out the spring-summer clothing. Please comment below as to which tops are your favorite. The first one is a long sleeve. My favorite color, obviously, is purple. I love how the sides have the scallop look. My next try-on top is also in lavender, and I love the way the lacing opens up the front. Very, very pretty. Could definitely wear it in the spring as well as the summer. I have a few of these tank tops. This is one that I always reach for. I love how the spaghetti straps sit. Very comfortable, not tight, just perfect. This is the same style top as my previous one in a different color. I think it's like a grayish blue. Same awesome, comfortable. Love wearing it. This top I also do love. The material has a ribbed detail to it. It's a midriff cut. And I think it's very, very nice and flattering. This is a great top for summer. It's very casual. I could wear it with a dress, jeans, or shorts. So for my next try-on top, I am definitely a t-shirt and blue jeans kind of girl. This one is soft and it's super flowy. It's very comfortable. It's cute and I absolutely love it. And for my last try-on top, I recently picked this one up and it immediately became my favorite. Super soft. It has a midriff cut to it. Very, very comfortable. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. And also leave comments down below as to which one is your favorite.